Hi everyone, welcome to JavaByte. In this video, I am going to solve one more JavaByte problem statement. The problem statement is given a list of integers. Find the maximum and minimum value element from the list using stream functions. Here we need to find out the max and min value from the given integer list. This is the given input list. So we can solve this problem. Let's jump to IDE. Here I have created a class with name find max and min value and I have added the main method where the execution of the program will start from the main method. The question is find the maximum and minimum value element from the list using stream functions. So to solve this problem, first we need to create an input list. Create input list. To create an input list, I am going to use list of type integer here, and I'm going to import this class list from java.util.list, and I will name this list as input list, and I'm going to initialize this list using arrays dot as list method, and I'm going to add all the input values to as list method. In this way, using arrays dot as list method, we can create an list integer list. So in the next step, we need to find out max element and print it. So to find out the max element using stream functions, first we need to convert this input list to a stream. For that, I'm going to apply the stream function on this input list, where this stream function will return a stream of integer. And this stream method provided one method called max, where this max method will take comparator as an argument and it will return optional integer. So I'm going to provide comparator here. So comparator dot comparing int. And here this for this comparator dot comparing int, what type of values we need to compare means we need to compare integer values. For that I'm going to provide the reference. And where this comparator comparing will return an optional value. For that I'm going to get the element from the optional class, and I'm going to store this result in the local variable called integer max. So here we have used the max function to get the maximum value from the list. Let's print this output and see system.out.println, and I will provide a reference called like maximum element, and I will use this max value. So let's run this program. We can see here it's printed successfully. The maximum element is 50. If we come to the input list, here we can see that 50 is the maximum element in this list. In this way, we can use the max function to find out the maximum element from the given integer list. In the same way, in the second step, we need to find out the min element and print it. So what we need to do here, in the same way, we need to apply the stream on this input list. So it will convert from integer list to a stream of integer. And I'm going to use the min method, where the min method will take comparator as an input argument. And here also I will provide the same implementation, comparator dot comparing int, where I will need to compare the integer type values. And this comparator dot comparing int will return a optional value. So to get the value from the optional class, I'm going to use dot get method, and I will store this result in the local variable called min of type integer. And let's use system.out.println to print this minimum value. I'll provide a reference called minimum element. So let's run this problem. Let's wait for a second. Here we can see that it's printed maximum element as 50 and minimum element as 10. If it comes to input values, we can see here 10 is the minimum element. Let's modify this 12 as a 5 and maximum element 50 as a 100. So it should print maximum element as 100 and minimum element as a 5. So let's run our program. Yeah, it's successfully it's printing maximum element as 100 and minimum element as 5. So I hope you guys understood the logic of this problem. Here just we have used the max and min method provided by stream function to find out the maximum and minimum element. I hope you guys understood the concept of this logic. If you like the content of the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.